Celebrating 24.
I'm glad because it's a hit or miss. So we're at Hilton for the night, and we just checked in. I just prepared the room, and look how cute. I'm very excited. Both girls waiting for club. Line out. I got the tonkatsu ramen and Jin got the spicy one. And we got karage with very interesting dipping sauce.
Celebrating 24. Birthdays tend to be more bittersweet as I grow older. As I'm reflecting today, I'm the most content and calm I've been on a birthday as a young adult. It's not that there aren't challenging days and feelings of doubt and insecurity, but this past year has been full of growth, both professionally and especially personally, with embracing myself. I owe each year to my amazing support system, from my family to the 4 ladies in this video. I know it's rare to be tight with friends throughout all life stages, dating back to kindergarten, and I'm lucky to have each of them in my life. I still have tons of growth in this journey called life, and I thank you all for being part of it. Here's to 24. Stephanie.